and Mizoram. The Umdihar Village Youth Organization successfully concluded its week-long annual celebration featuring a series of lively competitions and activities that saw active participation from the village residents. The closing ceremony held on 31st December 2024 was graced by Congress leader Rocky Marwin and accompanied alongside by Romel Lingdo, the headman of Umdihar village. The celebration aimed to promote unity and cohesion within the community. Special recognition was also given to youth who excelled in the SSLC and HSSLC exams, highlighting their academic achievements. The titles of Miss Umdihar and Mr. Umdihar were awarded to Babylon Lingdo and Baya Tiplang Shadap, respectively, as part of the celebrations.
Kadon ka kentin ka baong jong u President u Balai Puar jong ka Amerika u Franklin Delano Roosevelt u ong hakakchin pareng. We cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. Nginamla bantay kalaway nakabanta ki kun samla ki jongi henritongan nitongin te ya ki samla nakabanta kalaway ki jongi.